Hey everyone, today I'm diving into a topic that's both intriguing and troubling: the 2023 elections in Zimbabwe. Let's break down what exactly went wrong and why it matters not just for Zimbabwe, but for the broader international community as well. On August 23rd, elections were held and Emmerson Mnangagwa was declared the winner. But here's where it gets sticky. Many observers, including human rights organizations, have flagged these elections as falling short of the constitutional requirements in Zimbabwe. Not only that, the elections didn't meet the standards set by the Southern African Development Community, or SADC, which aims to ensure democratic processes in the region. Why does this matter? Well, Zimbabwe holds some of the world's largest reserves of lithium, a metal crucial for electric car batteries. This makes its stability and governance crucial not just locally but globally. But during the elections, there were widespread reports of intimidation and violence against political opponents, casting serious doubts on the legitimacy of the results. Moving beyond the elections, let's talk about the people. The tension in Zimbabwe isn't just political, it's deeply personal and affects daily lives. For instance, in the border regions, there's a man named Thulani Ncube. He's known locally as Omalaika, driving back and forth, smuggling goods and sometimes people between Zimbabwe and South Africa. His story highlights the desperation many feel under the current economic and political strain. Many aren't just smuggling goods to make life a bit more bearable, but also potentially risking everything to smuggle themselves out of the country if things turn sour post-election. The risk of stricter immigration policies post-South Africa's election could make this even tougher. The uncertainty is palpable and the stakes are incredibly high. So, what's next for Zimbabwe? With international eyes watching, there's a pressing need for a reassessment of the electoral process and a strong call for new fair elections that adhere to constitutional and international standards. It's a complex issue, but one that's crucial for understanding not just regional stability in Southern Africa, but also the global economic patterns influenced by Zimbabwe's resources. That's all for today, but this is a story that definitely needs more attention. Stay tuned, and don't forget to dive deeper into these issues, because understanding them is the first step towards advocating for change. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.